Ms. Newman and Ms. Salomone, I want to thank you for this. Lily, I want to thank you for this opportunity to be here to help the people understand what treatment court's all about. Treatment court came along in 2002, and they give opportunities to those that are addicted to alcohol, drugs, and mental health issues, an opportunity to address their underlying disease, the issue of alcohol and drugs, to be held accountable for it, because it's a very strict program, tough program, and hopefully change ways to have a better daily existence outside of the jail system and outside of the criminal justice system in a negative way. And if they don't get it, then of course the last stop along the way would be a state prison term if appropriate. But I have to tell you, by and large, our recidivism rate is down substantially. You'll hear about that.
Michelle, could you tell us a little bit about your experience with drug court?
I got into treatment court when I violated felony probation in Putnam County. I was facing 3.5 years of state prison for a DWI. I had the attitudes and behaviors of someone with addiction. I was looking to get over, not change. I was looking
So manipulate everyone
into
thinking that you wanted to change, but you really didn't want to change.
Of course I did. But, you know, but I didn't know how. I didn't have any idea how, and I didn't trust anybody. You know, in the treatment court, the team members were there to help me, the judge was there to help me, but I did not believe that they truly wanted to help me. It wasn't until I truly changed.
And when was that? Would you say how many months into the process would you say?
I was about a year in, almost a year. You know, when I got honest in court, and that's what I did, I got honest about how I was living. I started seeing things different. Something clicked into my mind. I accepted the help that was given to me. And through that process, my character changed. I learned about accountability, and that's what treatment court did for me. It changed the way I saw the world, the way I interacted with people. It changed the way, you know, I thought about consequences. It was about doing the next right thing.
People, make no mistake, taxpayers are paying no matter what you do. In the state prison system, it's around, don't quote me because I'm not the expert in that either, but it's over $60,000 of our taxpayers, the people you talk about paying, for housing one inmate for 1 year in state prison. It saves, first off, taxpayers over $20,000 a year per individual. In addition, once they get clean and sober and they're making good decisions, economic responsibility is a part of recovery.
Right.
We get them working as well and paying for their, taking care of their responsibilities and their bills, one step at a time as we go. And I have to tell you, the taxpayers are either going to get hurt badly with no end in sight, or we're going to tell them the truth, let them learn all about this, and know that with proper treatment, long-term treatment, the majority of people will change their ways and will become not a tax burden, but a productive member of society, giving back to the community, and paying their taxes and taking care of their families, and so on. So it's a win-win all the way around. Let's refocus our energy and our efforts on treatment. We need facilities, we need treatment providers. Treatment, when you're done, and Michelle will tell you this, it is one day at a time for the rest of your life.
Could you tell us a little about that, Michelle?
After graduating treatment court and
Yeah.
after, for me, it was a step at a time, a day at a time. I remained very close to treatment court. I always offered my services. I always wanted to help out, because in my opinion, it was there that I changed. It was there that my life was saved. Getting arrested was the best thing that ever happened to me.
I just thank you for coming on, and we appreciate your time, and we hope that we could get your treatment team on here on one of our next shows.
Thank you. Thank you both very much. And Michelle, thank you.